Hello, my name is Jose Alejandro. I thought to take it about the ESA 61131 standard, what it is and what it's standard about, so let's start.
The way life and world were and products use and regulate in some way. The most common I don't is through standard. In the case which ESA 61131, but what as standard. This is defined as that rule determines certain characteristics by word activities that must respect. The word automation is an example for 10 rules and take I will come tell leaking fight leaks and standard. Through norms they regulate industrial network. Through tools they regulate electric diagrams. Two and dealings PLC industrial controls. A, Apart in virtual importance and word and automation is that reliability. That is the post will think about the role and regular team. The famous ESA 61131 standard. What does it focus on? Then this standard is focuses to define various topics and policies and their main components such as define and identify main characters and policy minimum requirements for function operation statistics and testing define of most used programs language define the types of communication. Part is standard. To depend the previous typics in rules in articles and follows. General information 1. General information 2. Specification and equipment text 3. Programming language 4. User guides 5. Communication 6. Diffuse control 7. Programming guides. Since touching age dates is in the world, the main elements they will focus and most important punch in each theme. General information. This focus in defining various elements present on the understand, for example, define Senate and Pro. PLC. Digital Electronic Operating System. The scene in industrial medias. In programming memory for internet start user instruction, logical function, sequence timers, constant time digital and analog inputs and outputs, control various types of process and machines. Field device. Control and elements interface uh, of inputs and outputs that provide data and control. Specification and equipment specs. Electrical requirements. AC, DC, and DC, DC. Power supply. Digital analogic. Communication interface. Immunity noise deleting in properties. Material requirements. Protection in electric shock. Variation wreckage and electric lines. Fabric wreckings industrial materials. Provision and private jet. Battery requirements. Programming language. This category divided on main pillars. Common elements. Data types defines the types date and use program balance inter rails bits tiers date orts etc. Variables the using and user defines address local or global. Cycle function graph describe the sequence hybrid and control programs in different and pattern on graph networks. Program language, and according in standard PLC, be able to understand programs whether for language. Chart language. Leer diagram. Function block diagrams. Literal language. Instruction list. Structure text. In conclusion, we advance have today way living serving big norms. Staff turning time in rich concepts and pills most have similar characteristics. Promoters called recycling reduces the time to sort and the guns errors and our calculation in different components and different programs and of components.